forecast.
Lots of beautiful color out there with the fall foliage. How about this autumn view from Palmyra, captured by Sandra Parrish? And here's a nice view of a golden ginkgo tree. These are interesting because they basically lose all their leaves at one time. Yeah, they're gorgeous, but I mean, literally they drop. It's like confetti when those ginkgos lose their leaves. But that's sent in from Jacqueline Payne over at UVA. Let's take a look at our numbers. Made it up to a high of 69 today, currently 64 at the airport. A light southerly wind. We've had some high and mid-level clouds mixed with our sunshine throughout the day. 70 the afternoon high at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, right now checking in at 66 degrees. And let's take a look at some other readings. 64 there in Palmyra, same in Louisa. We've got 66 in Madison, 66 there in Harrisonburg, and 65 currently in Waynesboro. Not as chilly, but still cool tonight. Upper 40s to around 50. Again, some high mid-level clouds will filter through, but overall mostly clear. Temperatures tomorrow will jump basically another 10 degrees, so that puts us in the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees, roughly 15 degrees above average here as we go through these final days of October. So more like a September afternoon with the warmth peaking out for Halloween, with many of us nearing 80 degrees. Record for Charlottesville's 82. That looks safe, but certainly could challenge that. And then a cold front will come through early Friday morning. It may bring a few showers, but the rain chances, unfortunately, are pretty meager. Temperatures will begin to back down thereafter, but still warm for Friday. So here we are for Halloween evening after a daytime high in the upper 70s to around 80. By 6 o'clock and then beyond, those numbers will continue to slide down through the lower 70s into the mid 60s. So a great evening for all the trick-or-treaters out there. As far as what's happening, with the leading edge of a warmer air mass has brought in some high and mid-level clouds. There are some showers as you get up into portions of Pennsylvania and up into New York State. A larger storm system is out to the west. There's snow in Wyoming. You've got some mixed precipitation out ahead of that, and then some showers tomorrow. Areas from portions of Texas up through Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, western Missouri will be under the gun for severe weather. But look at the warmth here this afternoon. I mean, these are current numbers. You've got temperatures widespread in the 80s, 81 right now in Chicago, and then you see the cooler air on the backside of the storm system. So that's our forecast in terms of warming even more for Wednesday and Thursday preceding that front. And again, there could be a few showers around Friday morning. The front comes through, and that's going to knock those temperatures back to a lot more seasonable levels here for the weekend. Daytime highs in the 60s. Those morning lows will be down in the 30s and 40s. But for tomorrow morning, upper 40s to around 50. A nice, pleasant, warm afternoon for your Wednesday. Upper 70s to around 80. And then we'll start Thursday morning in the 50s. And there's your Halloween afternoon with temperatures right around 80 degrees in many spots, and as mentioned, a nice evening for trick-or-treaters. Mostly clear tonight, cool, upper 40s to around 50. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. The warmth this week peaking out on Halloween as we close out October, which has been dry. And then as we roll into the first days of November, we'll see those temperatures begin to slide back, more so as we move into the weekend back in the 60s. A week from today's election day, weather right now looking good.
All right, Eric, thank you.